Hello everyone, happy Friday. Jordan here with Evexias Health Solutions, and I just had to come on and sprinkle a little reminder that we will be hosting our patient seminar event on Monday, August 14th from 5:30 to 6:30 with nurse practitioner Nancy Daly and the Perfectly Bare Laser team. We're going to be discussing weight management, weight loss, and how to keep that weight off long term. So a lot of people by now have heard of semaglutide and tirzerpatide and some of those weight loss peptides that are taking the medical world by storm. And that's great because people are losing weight and feeling good and getting healthy again. But let's talk about long term and how we're going to keep that weight off. So that's exactly what we're going to be discussing at our upcoming patient seminar event on Monday. You do not want to miss out. We're going to be talking all things hormone optimization and how to keep that weight off when on a semaglutide or tirzepatide weight loss program. The next 10 people to sign up will get $50 off their weight loss program. So do not miss out. Run, go register, and join us on Monday, August 14th.